What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am trying Too Good To Go for the whole week straight. Trust me, there is gonna be lots of stuff to show you. It's going to be exciting. Too Good To Go is a mobile app which helps to prevent food waste, which allows you to buy surplus food from your local restaurants, cafes, bakeries, even grocery stores for a discount price. Sometimes you also need to bring your own food boxes, but most of the time I feel like it's already packed and prepared for you to just grab it and go. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below, share the video with your friends and family, and I would say we will just jump right to it. Have fun watching. As the first magic bag, I decided to book ARA with the REWE to go. So ARA is actually a gas station in Germany and REWE is grocery store. And you have REWE to go at these gas stations. You can buy their sandwiches and some other stuff, I feel like. This magic bag costs €4. You can pick it up between 7 p.m. and 7:30 p.m., which was perfect for us, to grab some dinner. We actually took our bikes because summer is very pretty right now here in Germany. So we got some nice rides to pick up the food. The collection was very quick. The staff was friendly. I was happy about my bag because I'm always excited, what's inside. We got there 4 sandwiches. They looked so good. There were 2 with the chicken, 1 pretzel, which is typical for Germany, with the butter, and then 1 Leberkäse. I have no idea how would you say it in English. You can just Google it or comment below what it actually is and how I could translate it to English. So I decided to eat right away this chicken sandwich. There was salad and some tomatoes inside, and it looked so good. It was also very good. It tasted actually fresh. The pretzel was also good. It was crispy. Anyway, I feel like the best was actually this chicken sandwich, but I don't like rucola, and there was rucola, so I gave it to Sebastian. So I feel like this magic bag was definitely win-win. There was nothing wrong with it. It tasted everything fresh. We had a good dinner, and yeah, I would definitely go and grab a magic bag again from REWE to go from ARA. Our second magic bag supposed to be from the cafe hype. I always actually check it on Instagram how the stores looks or restaurants, what you can expect. I feel like it's always good idea to check actually everything on Instagram or whatever, and it looks so good. They have lots of sweet stuff, cakes, coffee, and I was very excited for this. This bag is for €4. It says the original price should be around €10. I could pick it up between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. It gives you a little bit more time, 1 hour, to make it there and pick it up. We were about to pick our magic bag, and then I got notification that the cafe hype cancelled my magic bag because they didn't have anything left, which is actually good. They sold everything, good for them, but I was very disappointed. I was so excited about this bag. Whatever, I can do it actually next time, I would say. Maybe this will be in the next video, so make sure you subscribe if you like content like this, and you can see what we can get in this magic bag. So then I found actually another magic bag. This is this Turkish Lano pizza and doner bakery store, which was also interesting to me. Sometimes you can also see what you can get in your magic bag. You could pick it up between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. So that's what we actually did. Daily went with us, and this is actually the store. There were already 4 bags prepared, so I just grabbed one, and Bailey was excited. He is always excited when I just come back after 5 minutes. Like, he is pretending like he didn't see me for 2 days. And here is our bag. So I got there these 2, I feel like it's a bread for doner, and this, I'm not sure, it was a little bit different. The first one was very fluffy and this one was very hard or maybe the one was a little bit older, I have no idea. And then this portion was so huge, so we got there it was some meat with the champignons, with veggie, I feel like they were like carrots, and this like creamy sauce. So as a side dish to it was this bulgur. I first didn't know what it is. I knew it's not rice and because I never tried it before actually, and it tasted good. I feel like the meat wasn't that fresh anymore, but like there was nothing wrong with it. Like the portion was huge. We shared it with Sebastian together. We actually ate it the day after. I also always try to rate the restaurants. I feel like I am giving pretty accurate but good reviews because like there was nothing wrong with it. It was quick collection, the stuff was friendly, there was lots of food and the food was good. So yeah, 5 stars. Here we go. Let's get to the next one. Next magic bag is going to be from Finca Bar Celona in Nuremberg, where we actually go pretty often. It's very nice to sit there in summer on this terrace by water. The atmosphere is just amazing. We love to grab there some, drinks, and also I had few times there some food and it was pretty good. They offered magic bag from a buffet. I feel like it was a lunch buffet, and this magic bag was just for 3 euros. You had just time 15 minutes to pick this bag up, so I again grabbed my bike and drove there because it's pretty nice way through the parks. It's in the city, it's just 3 kilometers from us. So I was very surprised how much stuff I got. Like I was literally struggling. I had to carry it on the bike and I put it in my bag, but it wasn't like there placed pretty good. Like I wasn't sure at all in which condition I bring it at home. The app also said that you should eat this afterwards, like after you collect it. Makes sense, so it stays fresh. So I actually stopped in the park on the way because I was so curious what is in all those boxes. So here it is, this tortilla, and there was some rice and meat and some sauce, and in this quesadilla there was some veggie, I feel like, and just roast potatoes. Like pretty good. I love stuff like this. And then in the next box we had a salad. There was lots of mixed veggies. There was eggplant, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and some salad, maybe onion, and there were actually also olives. So it was pretty good salad. And then I got also 3 buns which were fresh. So I was happy about that. I actually prepared it in my boxes so I can eat it actually the next day because I wasn't hungry right now. The time sometimes it's not perfect. And then the next day I actually ate my tortilla. I just heated it up in a microwave a little bit. It was a little bit dry, so I actually used some dressing at home, and then the meat inside the tortilla was like this minced beef, I feel like. It was pretty good. The tortilla, the next day it wasn't the freshest, but it was still good, like, leftover food. I also rated this with a 5 stars because I feel like it was so good. I got lots of stuff literally for 3 euros. With this magic bag we saved, I don't know, maybe 15 euros I would say. It was quick collection, the stuff was also friendly, the food was delicious, and it was lots of food, so they got 5 stars. You are welcome. So the next magic bag is from Starbucks, which I'm always excited about. This magic bag was for 4 euros 80 cents, and I could pick it up between 7:30 and 8 p.m. I already got the magic bag from Starbucks once. I didn't have there anything sweet. I feel like I had there 3 sandwiches, so I was a little bit disappointed, but the sandwiches were good. I was just, I wanted something a little bit different, so I got it again actually from the same spot. The app actually says that you can get there some muffins, cookies or cake, or some snacks like bagels or some bread. So let's see what we are going to get this time. And this store is actually in the city center, so you get there this amazing view on the Lawrence Church. And yeah, here is my bag. Was happy about it. I got actually so much stuff. It's all written on the bag actually. When I came there, they were like before closing, so they quickly packed my bag. It wasn't ready yet, but it took literally maybe 1 minute. It was quick collection also. I couldn't wait to get home, so I was peeking a little bit into my magic bag. There was lots of bags, but I decided to wait and show you when I get home. So I got literally 4 sandwiches, 1 croissant, and these quark balls. They were so good. Look how good does it look. I got this sandwich already before when I was picking stuff there. I feel like the croissant sandwich too, and this was with salmon, with smoked salmon sandwich. Those are like quark balls, pastry, sweet pastry, and inside is marmalade. This one was so good. I feel like it was just colored with some food coloring. I had to eat that straight away, even it was already late, because it looked very good, it tasted good. You couldn't go wrong with this one. And then the next day, actually for lunch, we decided to eat our sandwiches. So I had this one with the chicken. So this is like Italian pastry, and you have lots of veggie on it. There was actually rucola, so I put it away because I hate rucola. And there was actually grilled veggie on it. And then next day I also tasted the other quark ball, which was just white. There was different marmalade in it. I feel like it was like peach or something like that. In the pink one it was like strawberry or like something like that. So yeah, I actually rated this magic bag also 5 stars because the collection was quick, the amount of the food was amazing, and the food was good, so why not? The next day and next magic bag is from this bakery. This bakery is rated so good on Too Good To Go. We grabbed there already few times some stuff, and it was always amazing. It's called Nusselt Bakery. This magic bag is for €4.50. It says from original price €13.50. The collection is between 7.30 and 8.30. In Europe, I feel like the baked stuff is so good. You can get there lots of bread or buns or even cakes. My mouth is melting already. Sometimes you have to be also very quick because it's sold out so quickly. I feel like we found out that some places put the magic bags there in certain time, so we always look, and sometimes they are sold out within like 30 seconds. They are just gone. Sometimes you have just also 1 magic bag, sometimes you have 5 magic bags, so it depends. And this day we were actually working the whole day in the garden. We were just painting some stuff, and we were exhausted. This bakery is actually by Edeka, which is a huge grocery store in Nuremberg here. It was so heavy. I couldn't believe what is inside. Like, I saw 2 big breads, like the half of it, and these breads are so good. I like these dark breads. And then this piece was so heavy, I was like sure that must be some cake or whatever. There was literally almost the half of this cake. This is a poppy cake. I love poppy cakes. This is my favorite. So we actually decided to eat our cake in the morning for breakfast. The cake was good. I just must say that for us was the cake way too sweet. Like, I had literally sugar shock. Like, we are not used to eat so sweet stuff. I really love poppy cakes or like everything with a poppy seeds. It's delicious. I couldn't even eat this whole piece. I ate just half of it, but it was good with a coffee. You know, when you like sweet stuff, I bet you would love this. So I like always to cut our bread and then put it in the freezer, because it has also lots of benefits for your belly, for your digestions if the bread is frozen. And then you just grab your piece and put it in the toaster and you have very crispy bread. And I made these very yummy avocado toast, you know, with the eggs on it, and it was delicious. The bread is very good. So I gave them again 5 stars. The collection was quick. My bag was already prepared when I came there. The amount of the food I feel like was good. This time I didn't have, you know, a lot to choose from. We had just 3 types of things, so it was definitely great value for this price. The next magic bag I wanted to get actually from this place Monkey, which is actually a ramen restaurant. It was for €4 and I haven't seen that there before. It has also good reviews, 4.4. I feel like I hesitated like 1 minute. It was literally gone. The deal was gone. I was sad about it but it was my bad. I wasn't quick enough, because sometimes if there are good deals at the app, you know, or the restaurants are good, the people know it, or it's just something a little bit different than just some baked stuff, it's gone real quick, you know. But I will try to get it for the next video, so make sure you subscribe for the, you know, upcoming videos. You can definitely comment below what I should try if you have some, you know, some recommendations or what you wanna see. So then I actually decided to grab a magic bag from Pizz Via, which is also in a very city center in Nuremberg, and I feel like they have also pretty often magic bags. They had their 5+ magic bags. They have just 3.8 stars, so we will see why that. I have no idea. I went there one time with my friend and we had their pizza and we had there some cocktail drink or whatever, and I must say it was good. The day was so beautiful. Again, you can see here Lawrence Church from the behind, because I was there the other day picking up my magic bag from Starbucks. It's always awkward. I wanted to show you a little bit, you know, the restaurant. I feel like they saw me, but I got 3 pieces. It looked pretty big. I wasn't sure if the pizza will be small or not, so I was happy about that. I was happy about my pizza, and yeah, we wanted to actually eat it for dinner, so I actually heated up a little bit in the oven because the pizza was cold, and who likes to eat cold pizza, right? So we had there actually 3 pieces in this little bag. The pieces were actually huge. We had there 2 pieces with a salami. One salami was spicy, one salami was not spicy, and the third piece was like cheese, and there was baby spinach on it, and also potatoes. I have never ever tried pizza with potatoes. I must say this pizza didn't had any like interesting flavor. It was pretty mild, but it was actually good. Like, I had nothing against it. At least it wasn't fat like the, you know, the pizzas with the salami. We really loved actually the pastry of the pizza, Napoli style. The edges were fluffy but very, very crunchy. The pizza was a little bit dry already, but it makes sense, you know, when the pizza is not served or made fresh right in front of you, it's like that. So I also gave them 5 stars. The staff was friendly, the collection was quick, the amount of food was good, and the food was also good, so I feel like it's a win-win. So that was our 6th magic bags. The one we actually didn't get because it was cancelled. I hope I can show you that in the next video. There is actually so many benefits which gives you this system, this app. It's always fun to actually actually do this. Let me know for sure in the comments below if you ever tried Too Good To Go, or if you know some other app. Maybe even in your town are some different apps like this in different country. You know, we are located in Germany, and I feel like it's pretty popular here in Germany, but I also already heard there are some different apps with a little bit different principle, but the point of it to save the food before wasting is the same. So you can definitely comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.